English Talk.
Hi, everyone. Welcome back to Everyday English Talk, the podcast where you can practice simple, everyday English with us. I'm Anna.
And I'm Ben. Thank you for joining us today. Wherever you are, maybe at home, on the bus, or taking a walk, we're happy you're here.
In this podcast, we help you learn real English, the kind of English people use every day, with friends, at home, outside, or in quiet moments.
That's right. We use short, easy conversations, and we always practice useful words and phrases together.
Today's topic is a beautiful one. We're going to talk about watching the sunset.
Yes. The sunset is the time when the sun goes down. The sky changes, and we can see soft colors.
Sometimes the sky is orange, sometimes it's pink. Sometimes we see warm golden light.
In this episode, we'll practice simple phrases to describe the sunset, like the sun goes down, the sky changes, soft colors, fresh air, and a beautiful view.
You'll learn how to talk about a quiet evening moment in easy English.
And don't forget, we have a free PDF transcript and practice exercises for this episode. You can find it in the description below.
All right, let's get started.
All right, Anna, let's start with you. Do you often watch the sunset?
Not every day, but when I have time, yes, I really enjoy it. There is a small open space near my apartment. It has a few trees, some benches, and a quiet walking path.
Oh, that sounds nice. Is it far from your home?
No, not far at all. It's only about 5 minutes on foot. So sometimes after work, I go there and sit outside for a short time.
Just to watch the sunset?
Yes, just to watch the sunset. I don't do anything special. I don't read. I don't listen to music. I just sit on a bench and look at the sky.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is. At first, the sky is still bright, but slowly, the sun goes down. The sky changes little by little.
What colors do you usually see?
Sometimes I see orange, sometimes I see pink, and sometimes there is a little purple too. The colors are soft, not too strong. I like those soft colors.
Soft colors. That's a nice phrase.
Yes, and when the sun goes down, the buildings near my home look different too. The windows shine, the trees look warm. Sometimes there is beautiful golden light on the street.
Oh, wow. I can imagine that. Golden light on the street sounds beautiful.
It really is. And the air feels different in the evening.
Different how?
Well, during the day, everything feels busy. People walk fast, cars move quickly, phones ring, messages come in. But in the evening, when I sit outside, the air feels cooler and fresher.
Fresh air after a long day.
Exactly. I like to breathe in the fresh air and enjoy the beautiful view.
I think I don't do that enough. I often miss the sunset.
Really? Why?
Because I'm usually busy. After work, I check my phone. I answer messages. I think about dinner. Or I just walk home quickly.
I understand. Many people do that.
But sometimes, when I'm waiting for the bus, I suddenly look up, and I see the sky. The sun goes down behind the buildings, and the sky is orange and pink.
See? That's a sunset moment too.
Yes, but usually I only look for a few seconds. Then I look back at my phone.
Ben,
I know. I should look longer.
maybe just 1 minute is enough. 1 minute to look at the sky. 1 minute to notice the soft colors. 1 minute to enjoy the fresh air.
That sounds easy. I can do 1 minute.
Yes. Watching the sunset doesn't need a big plan. You don't need to go to the beach. You don't need to climb a mountain. You can watch it from a window, from a balcony, from a bus stop, or from the street near your home.
That's true. A beautiful view can be very simple.
Exactly. Sometimes the simple view is the best view.
So, listeners, now it's your turn.
Do you ever stop and watch the sunset?
Where do you usually see it? From your window? From the street? From a park? Or on the way home?
Try to say 1 or 2 sentences in English. For example, I sit outside and watch the sunset. Or, the sky changes and I see soft colors.
And today, maybe stop for 1 minute, look at the sky, and enjoy the view. So, we talked about watching the sunset near Anna's apartment. But there are many other places where people can watch the sunset.
Yes, for example, from a window, many people can see the sky from their home.
Oh yes, that's very simple. You don't need to go outside. You can just stand near the window and look up.
Exactly. Maybe you're cooking dinner. Maybe you're washing a cup. Maybe you're just resting after work. Then you look from your window and you see the sky.
Sometimes the sky changes from blue to orange and then to pink.
Yes, and sometimes there is golden light on the buildings. The windows shine and the street looks warm.
That sounds beautiful. Even a normal view can become a beautiful view.
That's right. You don't need a famous place. A small piece of sky can still be beautiful.
Another good place is a balcony.
Oh yes, I love balconies in the evening. You can sit outside, drink tea, and feel the fresh air.
And you don't have to go far. You just open the door and step outside.
Exactly. Maybe you only stay there for 5 minutes. But 5 minutes is enough to enjoy the soft colors in the sky.
A balcony is especially nice when the sun goes down and the air becomes cooler.
Yes. You can look at the sky, breathe slowly, and enjoy the quiet evening.
Another place is the park.
Oh, definitely. A park is a great place to watch the sunset. There are trees, benches, grass, and open space.
You can take a slow walk, you can sit on a bench, or you can just stand and look at the sky.
And in a park, the sky feels bigger.
That's true. There are fewer tall buildings, so you can see more of the sky.
You might see orange clouds, pink clouds, and beautiful golden light between the trees.
That sounds very peaceful.
It is. And you can breathe in the fresh air while you enjoy the beautiful view.
Another common place is the bus stop.
Oh yes. Many people see the sunset on the way home.
Maybe they finish work or school. They feel tired. They stand at the bus stop and wait.
And then they look up.
Exactly. They see the sun goes down behind the buildings. The sky has soft colors and the street looks different.
Even waiting for the bus can feel nice for a moment.
Yes, if the bus is not too late.
True. If the bus is very late, maybe it feels less nice.
But still, the sunset can make the wait feel a little better.
Another nice place is a rooftop cafe.
Oh yes, a rooftop cafe is a cafe on the top floor of a building.
You can sit outside, order a drink, and see the city from above.
It's especially nice in the evening, when the sun goes down and the city lights come on.
You can drink tea or coffee, talk with a friend, and enjoy a beautiful view.
So watching the sunset doesn't always mean going to a beach or a mountain.
That's right. Sometimes, the best place is very simple.
From your window,
From a balcony,
in a park,
at a bus stop.
or on the way home.
All right, your turn.
Where can you watch the sunset near your home?
Can you see it from your window? From a balcony? From a park?
Or maybe you see it on the way home.
Try to write 1 or 2 sentences using today's phrases, like the sky changes, soft colors, fresh air, or a beautiful view.
For example, I watch the sunset from my window, or I see soft colors on the way home.
Try writing 1-2 sentences and share them with us in the comments.
If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more great content. Click the subscribe button and stay updated with our latest episodes.
So Anna, why do you think people like to watch the sunset?
I think it's because the sunset makes people feel calm. At the end of the day, many people are tired. They finish work, finish school, or finish many small jobs at home.
Yes, the day can be very busy.
Exactly. We answer messages, we cook, we clean, we talk to people, we go from one place to another place.
Busy morning, busy afternoon.
And then, in the evening, the sun goes down. The sky becomes softer. The light becomes warmer. And for a few minutes, everything feels a little slower.
I like that. The sunset is like a small stop sign.
A stop sign?
Yes, not for cars, but for our mind.
Oh, you mean we stop for a moment? We stop thinking about work?
Exactly. Just for a few minutes, we stop. We look at the sky. We breathe.
Oh, that's nice. A stop sign for our mind.
Because when I see golden light in the sky, I often stop thinking about work for a moment.
Same for me. I don't think about emails. I don't think about my to-do list. I just look at the sky.
And breathe.
Yes, I breathe. I feel the fresh air. And I enjoy the quiet.
That sounds peaceful.
It is. And I think sunset is special because it is simple. You don't have to buy anything. You don't have to plan a big trip. You can just stand near a window or sit outside.
That's true. A sunset is free.
Yes, and it's different every day.
Oh, that's a good point. Yesterday the sky was orange. Today maybe it's pink. Tomorrow maybe there are many clouds.
Right. The sky changes every evening.
Sometimes I like cloudy sunsets too.
Really?
Yes, the clouds catch the light. Sometimes the clouds look gold. Sometimes they look purple. It's not always clear, but it's still beautiful.
I agree. A perfect sunset is nice, but a normal sunset is nice too.
Like a normal day.
Exactly. A normal day can still have a beautiful view.
I like that sentence.
Me too. And I think this is why watching the sunset matters. It helps us notice small, beautiful things.
Small, beautiful things, like soft colors.
Yes. Soft colors, warm light, cool air, quiet streets, birds in the trees.
Or people walking home.
Yes. People walking home, children playing before dinner, someone sitting on a bench.
These are simple things, but they make the evening feel nice.
Exactly. And when we can describe these things in English, we can share our real life.
Not big English, just real English.
Yes, we can say, the light is soft. Or, the sky changes. Or, I like this quiet evening.
And that is enough.
Simple English is enough.
So, listeners, now it's your turn.
When you watch the sunset, how do you feel?
Do you feel calm? Do you feel happy? Do you feel quiet?
What do you notice first? The soft colors, the golden light, or the fresh air?
Try to write 1 or 2 sentences. For example, I like the soft colors. Or, the sunset makes me feel calm.
And next time you see the sunset, stop for 1 minute.
Look at the sky.
Enjoy a beautiful view.
And say 1 simple sentence in English. Let's quickly review today's conversation.
Yes, today we talked about watching the sunset.
We talked about simple places where we can see it, from a window, from a balcony, in a park, at a bus stop, or on the way home.
We also described the sky. We said the sun goes down, the sky changes, and we can see soft colors.
Yes, orange, pink, maybe a little purple.
We also talked about golden light on buildings, trees, and streets.
And we learned that even a small view can be a beautiful view.
That's right. You don't need difficult English to describe a sunset.
Simple phrases are enough.
Try using one today. I see soft colors, or I enjoy a beautiful view.
Great job today, everyone.
All right, that's the end of today's episode.
We hope you enjoyed listening, and we hope you learned some useful English phrases about watching the sunset.
Today, we practiced some simple phrases like soft colors, golden light, and a beautiful view.
Try to use these phrases in your own life. Maybe this evening you can look outside and say, I see soft colors.
Or, the sky is beautiful today.
Simple English is enough.
And don't forget, you can download the free PDF in the episode description. It has the full transcript, vocabulary, and practice exercises.
Use it to review new phrases and practice your listening and speaking.
If you liked this episode, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.
That really helps more learners find our podcast and learn English with us.
Thanks again for being here with us today.
And remember, keep practicing English every day.
See you next time. Bye.
Bye, everyone.